Alright everyone, we're going to go ahead and spray the motor off real quick so I can make sure when I change I don't get any debris inside the cylinders. Check out the all black Ford Crown Victoria in front. It's actually still in service and they have taken very good care of the vehicle. At first I thought it was old Shannon CVPI. Shout out to him and his channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have the Crown Victoria sitting right here today, and we're going to be, right now I'm going to take a look and see what it takes to put these spark plugs in, because the car has been running, it's not been running that well, so we're going to check that out. I did stop yesterday to buy some. Luckily I was able to get all 8 for like 30 bucks, 31 with some tax. So let's go ahead and pop the hood where it's all good. And right now we have 129,000 miles on the car, so right at 130,000 miles. And the car, like I think I bought it with like 90,000 miles on it, so we done put 40,000 miles on it. I'm pretty sure we still have the original plugs in here. Like I said, it's been running kind of skippy. A little bit on takeoff, it has a misfire, a lot of misfiring as we drive it. Sometimes it rides smooth, sometimes it misfires. So I definitely know it's probably gonna need a tune up. So we'll start with the plugs, and we're going to. I was waiting on the check engine light to come on to see if it was a coil pack, but it has not came on yet. And I know I have put at least 100 miles on it since it's been acting funny. So we got 8. It's 4 on each side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 4 on the other side. So we're gonna really, I would like to actually pull one out and see how it looks, just to see what the issue may be. If that is close to what it is, I have to also put some fluid in here. It's kind of empty. Yeah, it's gonna need some fluid in it. All right, so 1 second. All right, so I bought 2 packs of this right here, the 4 spark plugs. Of course, we're going back to Motorcraft, and this is what the new plug looks like, and we'll compare it to the old plug once we get one out. So I have a spark plug socket. I guess that's what this thing called. Oh, this one. It has like the magnet in it, but it's a size is bigger than what I have. I have the ratchet, but I don't have an extension for this one, so we're gonna have to use this one that doesn't have the magnet. It's a size shorter. Haven't learned all these sizes just yet. So everyone, this is the first plug. As you see, it does have well, this is the first coil pack. And you see it does have some oil residue on it. And we're going to try to get the plug out. Good. Pause it. And this is the first one. So it's dead. Hey everyone, welcome back again. So this is the one we took out of the vehicle, out of the Ford Crown Victoria. This is the new one. So as you see, just off the rip, without even comparing them, it's not supposed to be like this. So I know that it has an oil leak that is dripping down into the cylinder, more than likely from the valve cover gasket. So I will have to change those out. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and I went ahead and put a new plug in. Even though this one is worn, if you look at right here at the point, it's really worn down, really worn out, and so it still need to be changed. So I'm going to change it really on this one cylinder. Then when I do the rest, we're going to crank it up and just make sure everything is good to go. It might even run better with this one until I change the valve cover gaskets, because I don't want to put a whole set in here and then it end up like this again, and I need to, yeah. So we're going to see. I might just go ahead and change them out anyway since I have them, and then we will go from there. That's how the engine is running. Okay, everyone, so we got some fuel in the Ford Ranger. So we're looking at right about 17.6 miles per gallon. Really just been city driving with the truck, so nothing on the highway just yet recently. Check out the Corvette up to the left. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.